Hello and welcome to Kevin's Home Show. This is the show where we educate people about the real estate and mortgage industries. Today's show is geared to real estate investors. This remains a good time to pick up real estate for investment purposes. Although the guidelines have tightened to qualify for an investment loan, there are still loan programs out there where you can put as little as 10% down. As a real estate investor and senior loan officer, I follow the real estate and mortgage markets closely. In fact, as long as I can remember, real estate's been a part of my life. My parents were realtors and investors in Southern California where I grew up. I remember looking at potential properties with my dad when I was just a little guy. Later, I would help him fix up his rentals, and ultimately I managed his real estate rental portfolio when I got older. After my wife and I got married, we started buying real estate for investment purposes. Over the years, I've done many aspects of real estate, except development. So I'm keenly interested in what programs are available for real estate investors, as well as what it takes to qualify for a mortgage in today's environment. Fannie Mae, who writes the guidelines that lenders follow, has tightened those guidelines to qualify for a mortgage, including capping the number of mortgages a borrower may have. Although sometimes it feels like we're trying to hit a moving target as they tweak the requirements constantly, I've stayed on top of what is needed to qualify for real estate investment financing. If you are considering financing investment real estate, let's chat to make sure you are positioned to acquire the most property that you can, get the best loan available to maximize cash flow, and have a smooth, enjoyable mortgage transaction. My contact info is at the end of this brief video. I look forward to talking with you and helping you if I can. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.